What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in to Not Your Father's Capital. All right, so in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the good and the bad, what is coming out about Shiba Inu. All right, so I'm going to get into that. We're going to take a quick look at the charts, show you guys what SHIB is doing on the day. However, this video is not intended to be FUD by any stretch of the imagination. However, I do want to indicate to you guys also when the whales do bad things, okay? So not just going to pump sunshine. When the whales sell, I want to let you guys know, but we will shift gears and kind of transition to a very important development coming out from Shiba Inu and their development team as we look at some progress and some new technological advances that they're going to be unveiling, okay? So you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video, but first hit that subscribe button, join the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. We'd love to have you part of the channel, and let's get down into it. All right, so if we take a quick look at the chart, you can see SHIB down 3.5% almost on the day. All right, so continuing its trek as the number 15th ranked crypto in total market capitalization. All right, so it has basically been sold off this week, down almost 10%. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about what's causing all that. All right, but SHIB is sitting here at 40121. All right, and having kind of a flat month though, down 0.4% overall. All right, so we're going to get into that. SHIB kind of just needs some positive macro factors helping the rest of the market as well. Just due to what's going on, we need more certainty surrounding the crypto market. SHIB is just kind of getting the blunt end of it because they do have a very strong catalyst coming about when Shibarium is ultimately released in the near to intermediate future. But as it relates to this article, we're going to get into what possibly is causing SHIB to turn low as of recent, as well as what progress they're making from a developmental side. So let's get down into it. If we look quickly in this article, you can see what is going on as SHIB dumped in the last 24 hours. 300 billion SHIB was sold off. All right, now does this pose a question, is this going to be the end of the sell-off? Now what is happening is this is crypto banker Voyager, which for those of you that do not know, has gone bankrupt. And in the last 24 hours has dumped 300 billion Shiba Inu. Okay, so basically since February, $10.5 million in aggregate sales has been basically accumulated from the dumping of SHIB by Voyager. All right, so when you look at the actual position that Voyager has of Shiba Inu, you could obviously put two and two together that more selling and more blood is to come. All right, so they still have 6.2 trillion SHIB in its account. So that is not even 15%. So we have not even sold off 15% of the position that Voyager has of Shiba Inu. So that's going to create a lot of selling pressure as a lot of that those assets look to be recovered, okay, due to the bankruptcy proceedings. Okay, so, but when we talk about what SHIB is actually doing, it has done, to paint a better picture, it has performed well despite this sell-off of this magnitude. So we could spin that it is actually successfully resisting this sell-off and the pressure of this volume that Voyager is putting onto Shiba Inu, okay? Because you can look at the price of SHIB. It has kind of hung in there with Bitcoin and Ethereum overall. If we look at the monthly, plus minus for the month, okay? So that is what I got for you guys in terms of this whale activity as we look at what Voyager is selling off, okay? So we're going to be tracking the sell-offs and what comes about from Voyager in their connection with Shiba Inu in the future. So you're going to want to stick around, but let's get into what is more a positive note. Shiba Inu developers drawing attention to a new MetaMask feature, okay? So for those of you that trade your crypto on MetaMask, and especially Shiba Inu for this matter, we are talking about KUSAMA drawing attention to the new MetaMask SDK feature that has been launched in the Unity Asset Store. And in a recent tweet, KUSAMA highlighted how the launch basically will allow developers to connect their games to the MetaMask wallet, enabling users to interact with Web3 enabled features within the game itself. Okay, so this is a move that's expecting to take gameplay to a whole new level and bring Web3 values to the gaming industry. Okay, so we're going to see Web3 kind of explode along with AI in 2023. So that's a couple areas of crypto that I'm going to be highlighting moving forward in my personal day-to-day. However, the Shiba Inu community has reacted to KUSAMA's tweet with positive sentiment, okay? So they're excited. They're basically calling a huge development And a lot of people are asking about what this actually has a relationship with Shiba Inu. Okay, so due to the fact that SHIB released the Eternity game in last year. All right, so basically you're going to have the good and the bad. You know, you're going to have your group of SHIB holders that any kind of development, any kind of announcement is going to be hung on to and basically cling to as a sense of light. And then you're going to have your kind of glass half full people that are basically going to spin us into, why are we still waiting for Shibarium to be released? Okay, and it's delay after delay after delay. So, you know, this could be another stall tactic to kind of just hold the masses back as we wait for Shibarium and its beta release. Because SHIB Army is tired for waiting for Shibarium, and I'm tired of making videos about the release of Shibarium because it has not came yet. So when we talk about the MetaMask SDK feature, that is going to bring a lot of exciting growth, innovation to the gaming industry. However, I think us as part of the SHIB family, we are more awaiting the release of Shibarium. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you all in the next one.